Good morning, everyone. Starting a little late, 10-minute late. Looks like IMMX, still continuation PSTV. Just looking, setting up my watch list. IMMX, PSTV, PSTV. ISPC, PSTV, and what else? Hoth. Yeah, PSTV and Hoth are too cheap. They're definitely too cheap. Just gonna add Hoth. Why am I symbol? I don't want to filter by symbol. No sorting. There we go. Hoth. IMMX, PSTV, and Hoth. IMMX. I have to jump off today at 10. I'll be still watching. And then I have to run at 12. So it's going to be a short day. So PSTV. Let's see. IMMX, PSTV, Hoth, what else we got? Alright, so we have Hoth that is too cheap, ISPC, low volume, PSTV, $2 stock, IMMX continuation of yesterday. So nothing really great that it's fresh. CPIX. The spread is high on it. And then there's ENTX. ENTX sold off, so probably not gonna be anything. The day is setting up to be a choppy day. Wow, SPC just popped, and look, rejected. Yeah. Hey, don't you relax with that music, man? I told you guys I'm gonna add music. It's kind of hard to find anything with royalty free or just copyright stuff. let's see. So we don't have a lot of stuff moving. Hoth. So Hoth and PSTV. Hoth is cheap, right? It came from a 70 cents into $1.27. So that's going to be one of those stocks you got to trade large amount of shares in order to make a dent in your account. Same as PSTV. So Hoth is 20 million float. PSTV is 15 million float. IMMX from yesterday. Maybe ENT. I don't know if ENTX will pop again. Maybe GNPX. Jeff, what are you watching today? Adding GNPX to my watch list. Yeah, not much moving for sure. I mean, IMMX is I had struggled yesterday with IMMX, so I'm not sure if today would be any better. So generally, Januaries are slow. We have April, March, April, well, end of March. That's where generally volume will start coming in until the summer vacations. And then you have that summer vacation, and then back to school. Maybe something in September, October. But see, this past year, September, October was not really good to me. August, September, October. IMMX is popping. I think open is going to be kind of a decision. So you're going to have a lot of sellers and buyers, a lot of cautious people, a lot of just jumping around. That's my prediction and anticipation of the open. And until that resolves, until we figure out the direction, we have to make sure we catch that initial red to green. And I think that's the most difficult part of my trading strategy, is watching 5 different stocks, or in some cases maybe more, and catching that red to green, or that that burst of initial volume, because I think if you get in on the first burst of volume, first red to green, it's the most profitable, more successful, I guess. Not profitable, but more successful, right? It tend to work out better. So if you missed that, IMMX is popping. IMMX is all over the place. Drop below VWAP and then back up. Doesn't even respect VWAP, right? But anyway, yeah, so that initial red to green or initial 1 minute pullback on a strong stock, so that would be so catching that initial thing, initial pop, initial red to green would be my goal today. But so we have to be really careful, right? If the market is not strong and it proves to be not strong, those red to green can be fake outs, and then break of new 1 minute candle high is a fake out as well. So just watch. And if we look at, let's see, ISPC, I'm adding ISPC to the watch list. So ISPC, GNPX. So right now, all of the spreads on the 5 stocks that I'm watching are okay. They're not bad. IMMX even showing 2 cents, but it also kind of tells you. And let's see, I'm looking at level 2 and time and sales, just kind of looking for that. GNPX has movement. Haas is dead. PSTV has some movement. IMMX is dead. So out of 5 stocks, I'm watching GNPX and PSTV are the kind of movers in terms of volatility, in terms of buyers and sellers. So maybe PSTV for me this time around. Maybe PSTV. For the market open. So PSTV, 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 PSTV. So just gonna watch that. What are our levels? We have pre-market high. Where is the pre-market high? We have pre-market high at 12. Okay, what are we on the daily? So we have a 192 for the 200 AMA. So hopefully we're just going to be bouncing off of that level, but it's tough. It's tough. But anyway, let's watch. All right. Nothing crazy, just 250 shares. There's a pop. 208. Halt is at 241. PSTV. Are we going to hold this? I see buyers. I'm still waiting for the. I see my level 2 is lagging. So 204. I'm gonna watch 206. 206. There it goes. I'm in. Let's break 210. There it goes. There's sellers. There you go. I'm out. Okay. So did you see that quick red to green? That's essentially what I was talking earlier today. So it held at 202. If you were a little more aggressive, you would have probably got in at 202, at 203. So now that's where the sellers will come in, and they're going to take profit at the VWAP. So watch for VWAP bounce here at 189, but it might be a little dangerous because that stock is weak. Look at the 5-minute week. So CPIX also moving. Hoth. Let's add the CPIX. I don't like Hoth, it's too cheap. I might like it later, but not right now. CPIX right here is 68. CPIX. Let's watch CPIX. It's 3-cent spread. It's a little large, but not movement. So 3-cent spread. What is the high on that? 65. So what's that pop over 65? That's what essentially I'm watching. But the spreads are ridiculous. 63 to 57. That's a 6-cent spread. No, I'm not touching that. Not for a $5 stock. Like, I might touch it with 75 shares just to see what kind of feels I get with let's watch for that volume come in. Still red. So 57.60 would be my entry if the volume comes in with a break of 65. Yeah, 5-cent spread, 7-cent spread. Wow. No, that's too much. I'm not doing this. See, like right now, for a burst of volume would be a scalp. If it was a 62 by 63 with 1-cent spread, I would be okay with it. MIMO. RELI. Also watching. Something's got to move, right? Okay, so see how CPIX is just sitting on that flat top. IMMX, red to green, MIMO. MIMO, 13-cent spread, not touching it. RELI, 5-cent spread right now. I don't know. IMMX is looking better and better right now, to tell you the truth. That 66.70 break. See, like, test of VWAP right now. Oh wow. So 62. I don't know. Yeah, that's a chop fest. PSTV, it's curling. So maybe PSTV, keep watching. I don't know. Everything is just seems to move so slow. Okay, what's that? Well, 5 minutes and 4.5 minutes. 196 is high. So what's that? Potentially test of 2 and break of 2. Maybe test of 210, 212. Break of 97 on PSTV. Break of 97. It's hovering around that VWAP. It's got to hold. We're gonna see some volume. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I'm in at 92 and I'm out. I see I see a lot of sellers. So it wasn't a bad try, right? That curl back up, bounce of a VWAP, break of a flat top at 97. But unfortunately didn't work out. We don't have everything that works out. So Hoth went from 22 to 32. Wow. See, the stock that I was bashing in pre-market, Jesus. So CPIX, GNPX is selling off. I mean, that could have been a decent, right, trade for Hoth. Volatility 938.18, so 939.18, so 2 minutes on Hoth. That curl on PSTV did not work. It's a weak stock, just an FYI. NTRB is back up. Bondman is trading it. He jumped in right at that spike of a break of 990. NTRB, it's not a bad stock, but I don't know. NTRB. Okay, watch 10:15, 20 seconds. Watch that 10:15 and the high is 10:37. I want to see that burst of volume. I'm in. Let's see if we're gonna see any volume. Nope, there's red. Okay. Watch. I'm in. Nope, I'm out. So there's a lot of, so I get bed fills on TOS for sure, but keep watching. If it's gonna hold this, we have 9 seconds. I'm in at 10:01. So is it gonna test I don't know, it's like all over the place. No, Hoth resumed. So watch 10:08, 10:10. Very spready. 10:10. Just keep watching 10:10. Haas halted again. Wow, the stock that I was bashing in pre-market actually doing the best. This is insane. 15 seconds. I'm in at 998 right now. 92, 91, 94. I'm out. Yeah, I thought I got in a pretty good price, but so IMMX. Watch IMMX. Break of 5 minutes at 55. I'm in. Are we gonna break? I'm in. Out. So I got out at 62, which is not the best exit. IMMX was a nice flat top. I got in at 57, 56, and now out at 62. So that was our chance for the red to green. We were slow. NTRB, I don't know. Let's watch NTRB still. I just don't like NTRB how I'm getting the fills on NTRB. Like the volume is not there. It's 89. Watching 89, 40 seconds. I don't know. IMMX looking better than NTRB, to tell you the truth. IMMX over 65. So watch 89 on NTRB. 68. So IMMX 68. So watch that. So it held low 50s and mid 50. I'm in. I want to see that go over 65, 70. I'm in at 60. I'm in at 60. Nope, I'm out. So I'm looking over 65 right now. I'm in at 56. I want to see that push higher. Nope. That was did I exit okay? No, I actually exited 42. Did you see that flush? That's exactly the scalper killer. So my entry was at 56 and I'm out at 42. MIMO. I don't know. Everything seemed to be choppy today. Yeah, 42 exit was not good at all. I think I should have been out, but it was almost an instant flush. NTRB is selling off as well. Wow. So Hoth, back to Hoth. So 44, 49 is the resumption. Everything kind of going below VWAP. And yeah, MIMO is way too spready. But that flat top is looking good. Alright, so Hoth, watch that 58, maybe higher resumption. Higher resumption, and then looking for a dip. Watch, there was a 61, 62. I'm in. No, out. I'm in. Let's see. Out. Hoth. Watch Hoth over 67. Hold it down at 47. Wow. There's not a lot of movement in a lower cost stock, right? Because it's based on the percentages. It's a false halt. $67. This stock is all over the place. So 44 is halt. It's not popping a lot either. PSTV, maybe, but it might be just one of those. Hey, I want to test VWAP again or something crazy. There it goes. PSTV is at 88. There's a seller at 89. I'm in. There's a seller. There's a huge seller at 89. Then it didn't break. I am a max below VWAP, but that flat top is looking nice. Maybe a false breakout of the VWAP to scalp that part. So that PSTV trade did not work out. Morning, Trident. INDP is popping. Gotta be fast on this. Didn't hold break of 7. I don't know. So my day looks really busy today as far as stuff going on, and I felt like if I wasn't up before 10:30, then it's not looking good. So look at PSTV's popping. Are we getting some momentum here? 89, 20 seconds. Are we gonna break that 89? I'm in. I wanna see it squeeze out. So 90 is the next level to break. There it goes. There's 90. But the bids are not moving. The bids are not moving. So I want the bid to move up. There it goes. Bid moved up. So the buyers are stepping in, but there's a lot of sellers along the way. So just keep watching and seeing what people are planning to do with this pop. Is it going to hold that pop? That's another question. So high is 94. High is 94. Is it going to bounce from a VWAP? I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna test and see if it's gonna bounce again. Okay, that's fine. I'm not seeing too much of a bounce, but it's not a volatile stock, so the resolution is probably going to take a little while. It's not really get in, get out within like a second. It's more of like get in and just wait for it to resolve. Because you see right now it's holding that 92. So 3 seconds till 1 minute candle. So watch 94. We have 3 minutes and 20 seconds until next 5-minute break, but 94, just watch that. Nope, not holding. So Hoth surprised me for sure. PSTV, not surprised. IMMX, not surprised. Any of those midday poppers like INDP, NTRB, yeah, this is just, it's still good to know because it kind of draws the overall perspective. So watch for Hoth to go into the halt again, because you see this pop. So let's see if that pop continues to over 48 in 15 seconds. The halt is at 60. So the halt is at 60. If you see volume coming in, lots of sellers. Halt is at 60. 5 minutes set up in 2 minutes. I'm in. Wow. It did not go even with the green volume. So this stock I cannot read properly for sure, because at 45 we had so many buyers. But this stock being so cheap, a lot of buying doesn't necessarily mean anything, because you can have 100, 200, 500,000 share buyers, and they're all over on my level too. It's just very insignificant in terms of, okay, I'm in. I'm gonna test that break of 44. Ah, jeez. It's not liking that. So I'm fishing for that pop over 45 into the next halt. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna break that 46. 46. See, it broke 46, but kind of came down. Yeah, I cannot read this stock at all. There's a lot of selling pressure. All right, anything else setting up? ISPC? Huh. I don't know. Should I keep fishing for Hoth? 46, 45 area? I just don't, I'm not feeling the stock at all. I see buyers coming in and they're not doing anything. They're not even making a dent in that move. Alright, what do we have? We don't really have anything. The Hoth 5 minutes set up at 48, 46. That's all I'm watching right now. I mean, nothing else. And Hoth is just pulled back. Hoth is 27 is halt down. So I'll have to go on mute at 10, and I'll be back later until 12, and then depends how the day goes. I might trade after 1 or after 2, but I don't know. But it's not looking like we're gonna get anything unless we focus on everything that's moving slightly and hopefully scalp for this 2 cents, 3 cents here and there. And you saw that flush, right, on IMMX. I got caught in that flush. Entering 57 out at 42. Let's watch 41, 42 on Hoth. I don't know, ABCD pattern. Hold the VWAP and then break off that 5 minute. So it might be a strong setup, I don't know. But it's kind of been getting weak. You see this 5 minute candle, the highest volume is on red. 5 minute candle. Yeah, it's kind of not good. Just sets the stage for everything else. We might be balancing off of VWAP here on Hoth, but not sure. $46, there he goes, there he goes. 30 seconds. Are we gonna hold? I'm in. I need to see more volume. I'm in. Are we gonna break 46 into the 50 area? I'm in at 44. Dang, this is a tough area. Got trapped into this. I could have held because I'm not seeing it go much lower. So let's see if 40, did I get 42 and a half? I got 42 and a half, so it's not a greatest fill, but so let's watch that 46. I'm still waiting for that 46 break. Wow, this stock is moving like an Apple stock. There's a lot of sellers. See, like that 5 minute? Ugh. Anyway, I have to go on mute. All right, guys. Anything's moving? Hoth, maybe. I don't know. RELI. What a horrible day. I mean, I expected it to be slow, but I don't understand. Hoth. Let's see Hoth. I don't know. Anything else is moving except Hoth. Didn't Easy Go went for a bit. Yeah, new highs. You know, back in the day, like what, a couple weeks back, at least there was like ISIG pop or something. Now there's nothing. What else is moving? Wow, NLSP. Did not see that. I'm gonna see RELI. RELI 5 minutes set up at 88. So watching 80 to 88, but it's not moving at all. So not holding my breath. NLSP actually was nice. Completely missed NLSP. And it started right at 10. That's nice. Let's see, NLSP 1 cent, no, wait, NLSP 1 cent spread, $2 stock. Yeah. NLSP, I don't know, are we, the moves are crazy. NLSP, it's not, what is it, 1 cent, moves at 8 cents, that's insane. That's actually insane. RELI 72. The moves are nice on that $2 stock. That's surprising. Look at that breakout at 94 to 98. That's crazy. False breakout on the 5 minute. Let's see if it's gonna hold this 85 area and break the 93 again. I don't know if it's gonna start curling like a 90-91 area. If we're gonna see, I'm in. I want to see that 90-91 area on an LSP. Any signs of red, I'm out. I want to see green. Am I gonna see green? 88. I'm in at 88.5. Nope. Red. I'm out. Okay, keep watching. Okay, still watching an LSP. 91. So watch 93 here. There goes 93. 5 seconds. Watch 92. Let's see. Let's see. So 93. What's that 93? Might not go, but maybe that was the lower high on 98. It's holding 92. Still holding. A lot of selling, but still holding. So there's definitely somebody supporting that. Let's see how long they can do that. Because I see a lot of sellers. $90, $91, $90. So 93 is a 5-minute setup, but we still gotta wait. Selling off. Look at Hoth. But you remember Hoth moved like dog poop. 61 is halt on Hoth. What is the high? 54 here? Okay. I mean, NLSP area. Okay. Okay. Hoth is, look at this. Hoth's just sitting at 54. And it needs 2.5 million shares to move it 5 cents. RELI. Interesting. NLSP selling off. Maybe we'll come back to that. NLSP. Let's look at the RELI. 5-7 cent spread, 16 cent spreads. RELI 24. The high here was 40. I don't know if we're going to get a micro pullback on RELI to break 40 again. Got 15 seconds to potentially break 40. I'm in at 32. I want to see 30 again. Nope, I'm not seeing 30. I'm in at 32 out of 27. I saw 16, so watch this. I'm in at 06. Bids are not holding. 7, 9. Out at 9. The spreads are finicky on it. Watch 28 still. NLSP, I mean, it's curling back up, but RELI still watching at the 28 mark, but I'm also watching bids. 13 seconds. So let's watch for that pullback. Okay. I'm in at 11. Okay. Out at 17. So still watching. I see volume coming in. Let's see if it's going to be micro pullback. Break that 17. There it goes. Broke 17 into 20 right now. The high is 40. The 5-minute high is 28. So let's watch for that micro pullback if it's going to give us. Might not. Okay. A little more. I'm in. 16. Still red. I see a little green, but red is overpowering right now. Okay, I see a little green. There it goes. There goes green. Out. Okay. So still watching that 25, 28 micro pullback. Is it gonna hold here? So that's a little too much of a pullback. Watch NLSP. It's curling back up. It might test 2 again. but that's a long shot. So NLSP, it might test 2 again. Just keep watching. There it goes. See, I missed it. So 94. It's a good volume pop. 94. It's definitely seen some resistance here. I'm in. I want to see that 2. Out. Out a little too early. It is testing the 2. I wish I was quicker. We might break 2 here. So watch 99. So we have 13,000 and 11,000 seller at 99 and 2. I mean, that's nothing for this stock. So we don't really have sellers. They're probably hidden. So RELI also setting them up for that 1 minute. 802, 803. Alright, there's 98 right here. Are we gonna go into the 2? Are we? I'm in. I'm out. I didn't go into the 2. I'm in. I'm in at 96.5. Let's see if it's gonna go through through 2. Indecisions. A lot of selling. There it goes. There it goes. That's what I was waiting for, the 201. So it wouldn't been bad at 201. So let's see, 201 kind of pulled back. RELI was curling just like I said it will. It's curling right here, yep. That 1 minute at 802 up to 815. That was a nice trade. It's definitely a nice trade. Let's watch that high 26. Yeah, let's watch 25, 26 on RELI. But remember, it can get spready. 10-cent spread is nothing for RELI. Yeah, watch 20. I feel like micro pullbacks might be better here. So RELI, watch that 20 break. I don't know if we get enough volume here, but definitely curious if that 20 is going to break into that 25. It's holding 13, which is good. I'm in. Let's see, 17. I'm in at 14. Kind of high, to tell you the truth. Okay, I see a little bit of green. Little green, red. Nope, I'm out. Got in a little high. I don't know why it got me into that trade so much. higher than it should have. Still watching that 15-16 area. 10 seconds. Are we gonna see anything? I'm in. I like it. There it goes. I'm in at 11.5. I want to see 15 on the bid. I want the bids to move up. I want to see bids to move up. Nope. Not getting it. But it's coming. I think it's right now. 25, 30. Yeah, so I got out at 19. I saw 30. It's you saw that initial volume pop? Still watching 30. It might pop through 30. Yep, there he goes. Pop through 30 into the 36. Keep watching the 1 minute until 1 minute candle high. There he goes. There he goes. Pulling back. I'm in. Nope. Out. Still watching. 20 seconds at 36. I'm trying to get that micro pullback. 36. It's not happening. I'm in. I'm in at 33. No. Watching. I'm in. Okay, we're gonna see 40. Out at 15, so I'm out at 40. The spreads are 7 cents here, so it's really difficult to catch that. Very difficult to catch it. NLSP, did I miss that? I don't know where I would get in. The 2, test of 2 and break of 2 to 210. That wasn't a bad trade. How is an LSP 215 right now? That's not bad. High is 214. Okay. Let's see if we can find anything to get in. Any areas. $214, $215. There it goes. $212, $211 again. We're gonna hold here. I'm in. I want to see that 14 break again. Out. Yeah. It's tough. It's tough, tough, tough. But if that goes, we might see something. I'm in. Let's see. I'm in at 08. Out. See, I like the fills on it. I'm in at 05. So let's see if we're gonna get back to the teens. We might not. There's a 7. No. It's not bad. It's just I'm expecting it to go a little higher. So I'm expecting that 10 break. and I'm not seeing it. I see a lot of red, so just gotta watch for that. I'm in at 08. Let's see that 10 break. No, the fills are not bad on this stock. So watch that 10 break and hold. $12. It could flush. I'm in at 06. Waiting. No. Yeah, there's too much red coming in. Okay, keep watching. So RELI flat top at 30. I don't like that 5 minute. We gotta turn around real quick on this. We gotta close above 205. Yeah, we gotta close above 205 on this stock. Are we gonna curl? Will we see another push on NLSP? I think an LSP is our chance here. Let's watch RELI just for the sake of it. 230, 28, 28.30. Let's watch 203 on NLSP as well. So NLSP, I'm watching 203, 204. So I'm watching for support here. I'm in at 201.6. So let's see if we're gonna get a little bit more support here. 11. A little bit more push. A little more push. A little more push over 202. It's not moving over 202. There it goes. There it goes. No, it's not. It's not going over 202. That is messed up. There it goes. That's what I was waiting for. 202, 201. Wow. A little false breakout. But still back up. 204, 205. So let's watch NLSP again. 204, 205. 5 seconds. That's it right here. That's it. 204. That's exactly what I was waiting for. 209. I'm in. We're gonna go over 9, 10. Nope. It's a lot of sellers. You see this spike of red, spike of green. Green moves it up 2 cents. Red moves it up, moves it down 3 cents. Yeah, the buyers are winning right now for sure. Wow, that's a really good move for a $2 stock. 211. So I'm watching 212, 211 because the high was at 214. So I'm expecting to test 214 again at least. And then pull back. There it goes. There it goes. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. There it goes. Pull back. Pull back some more. It's a good area to buy right now. Just watch 212. Watch 212 in 35 seconds. If it's gonna hover around this area, might be a good opportunity for a 1 minute pullback. 33. There's buyers right here. Pull back. Still pullback. I'm in. Let's see. Are we gonna go? No, we're not gonna go. Okay, we went. 213, 215, 216. It's a nice area for a breakout. 216. But I don't know, where would you get in? The previous high on it is 235. So watch 216, 235. It's too much of a pullback. RELI is actually pulling. Okay. Let's see, we have a 5 minute at 34 on RELI. Pull back way too much. NLSP and RELI. Still watching 30 to 35 breakout on RELI. NLSP down from 15 into 202. Did not hold. Yeah, so NLSP, I feel like that 10 a.m. move through 10:30, 11 was the money for me, but unfortunately I missed it. But it could curl above 204. Just keep watching, because the shorts came in. That's all. The shorts came in on the break of that previous high at 213, 214. There was a lot of buyers because it kind of was pushing them back up. It tested it twice, right? And then they just saw that the shorts and covers came in. Well, I'm saying, the sellers and shorts came in at that area, and now I feel like since there were a lot of buyers to test twice that resistance, I feel like we might push it again. So just keep an eye on NLSP. RELI, also keep an eye on that 30 area. So right now it's at 27. The entry is like 27, 28 on RELI. Just got to see that volume pop on RELI. $27.30 or 27, yeah, somewhere between 27 to 30 on RELI. $27.30 on RELI. Just keep watching. Keep watching that curl on NLSP. Alright, are we gonna test again? Just watch NLSP. That was a 5-minute setup, so that was probably the stronger one than a 1 minute at 207. So that's why I'm probably not gonna take the 207. Yeah, the moves are definitely. I wasn't expecting an LSP move 8 cents for the stock being that cheap. And Haas today as well. I wasn't expecting Haas to move, and that thing just blew all the supports and blew all the resistances. So, I mean, I was struggling at the market open. I was struggling to keep green or break even. I was red for majority of the day today. And as you see, nothing's moving. I mean, Hoth is also setting up maybe. Let's see, what is this? Hoth is going to test that resistance line. You see this guy here? That's what Hoth is doing. So break of that resistance might be something. And LSP's back up. Is it gonna give us something on NLSP? 207. Back up to 207, okay. 14 is next. I don't know, it's tough. Haas's twin was that resistance. Haas is still trying. It's looking strong. I don't mind it for sure. Is it gonna test 14? I'm in. I'm in at 9. No. I'm still want to be at 9. I'm in. Lottery. There he goes. That's not bad. So 9. So 12 is out at 12, but I felt like I should have held a little, because that stock is going nuts right now. Haas just rejected that line. So watch that 14, 16. I feel like we might blow through it, because the speed that we approached at 13 was really interesting. So 212. There he goes. 14, 20 seconds. So it's not respecting the 1 minute setups. It just does its own thing because of the volume. Yeah. Halt is at 48. So halt is a long way up. But this is definitely not a bad setup. Now I don't know where to get in. Maybe on that pullback right now. So where's the micro support? There it goes. Just popped back up to 16 for no reason. Okay, so 18. What's the high? High is 19. So 18, 19 again. 44, 2 minutes still. Okay, 10 seconds. All right, I'm in. I want it to go through 20. Okay, I don't know. That was kind of silly. It's holding 19. I see buyers. There's sellers. Okay. I mean, they're fighting right now. It's crazy. So, you know, if it breaks 35, it goes into the 40. It's gonna make some people sweat. So let's watch that 20 again. So micro pullback at 18. We're gonna support this area. I'm in. I saw a sliver of green coming in. That was high volume, but I also see red. Never mind. I'm looking for. I'm fishing for that test again for over 20. So again, 18, 19 area. 44 seconds until 5 minutes setup. I don't know. I don't know. 30 seconds. 17. I feel like it might break down and go like 207. There it goes. I'm in. I'm in. 220. Ah. Okay, I'm still watching. So I'm in at 19. No, I'm out. It's dropping. I actually that was a FOMO fill. So still 19. I'm still I wanna see if it's gonna hold here. So that 19, is it gonna hold 19? Yep. Look at this. Pullback. We're gonna see pullback. We're not seeing a pullback. We are seeing a pullback. We're not seeing a pullback. Okay. 23. I'm in. I'm in at 21.5. I want to see 25 break into the 30. There you go. That's exactly what I was waiting for. So it's a strong stock. Keep watching it into the 30. So 28, 29, break of 30 into the 35. What? Try to fish for that for the support on that micro pullback of a low of 22. There you go. There might be a sign right here. Let's see. Let's wait for a pullback. Pullback. I'm in. Okay, 28. No, too much pullback. Still waiting. I'm in. I want to see that break of 30. Alright, break of 30. That's good. So out at 32. That's not bad. So right now, that's the key right here. Halt is at 66, so it's not going to halt. But we might be able... So that's where they have to decide, either add to their bag or dump it. And if they dump it, they're going to create momentum and it's going to blow through 35. If it looks like they're adding. So they add it. Okay. So they added at 34, 33. Let's see, are they scalping it or are they holding it? So we have a pullback. Okay, what's that micro pullback? How far back up are we going to get? We're getting a 29 again, 27. 29, 27. So that was a micro pullback buy. So if someone would have bought that, that would have been nice. So still watching 30, 29. Okay. The 1 minute is at 32. I'll try to get in before that 1 minute at 32. I'm in. Okay, I'm in at 27. I want to get out at 29.30. No, I got out flat. So still waiting for that 30 break. Okay, 28 pullback. There's a lot of sellers here. There's a pressure. It's a lot of pressure. Look at those 15-second wicks right here. It's a lot of pressure. I'm still looking at 30 because if we're going to break through that 35, it could be nice. So 27, 28, my entry. Look at that. It's not even giving you a good good entry. Look, it's going to plow through that 35. I'm in. Nope. So watch this. It was too much of a pullback. We might have to reset. Yeah, it's definitely resetting. Now pull back. Watch out for the backside. So double top, right? And then we have the book trade right here at 74. Was the range 34 to 74, so 50, half a dollar. So we might test 130s again if that's not gonna hold. So 1 minute high is at 25. So watch that 25 again. 10 seconds, 49. So maybe 25. Quick scalp, nothing crazy. But I want it to be coinciding like with the 1 minute. Yeah, it's not, well. Let's see if it's gonna let me. The 24.25 in the next 30 seconds. Right? $24.25 in 20 seconds. Okay. 24.25. There it goes. He's gonna pull back. I want pullback. Nope. I want pullback. It's not letting me in. It's okay. There it goes. There's a pullback. Okay, keep watching. Keep watching if it's gonna test 35 again. I have a feeling that we might see a pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 28.5. I want to see 33. No. That's okay. Still want to see that 30. Look at Hoth. So let's see that 30. There it goes, 28, 27. Are we pulling back too much? 12 seconds. So 2 minutes until the 5 minute setup. Still 30. Watching that 30. There it goes. Are we gonna go? Pull back. Pull back. Still pull back. Okay. That's okay. Might be a stronger 5-minute. I don't know. But it's too long to wait. Not a lot of people have that much patience. So still, just watch 30 for sake of it. Just watch it. Because there it goes. So 30 seconds. Is it going to give us some entry? I'm not sure. I'm in. I don't know if it's going to follow red. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Break that 30. Here you go. Okay. Out. So what's that? There it goes. 33, 34, 37. Pull back. I'm in. I'm in at 31. It's not holding it. There it goes. 27, 25, 24. I'm in. I'm in at 24. I wanna see it test again 30s. Okay, that's fine. It was a little too quick for my level 2, but that's alright. I was actually expecting that, but I wasn't expecting the 31 not hold, the 30 not hold. So that's where I kind of gave back a little. I was expecting the 30 to hold, and I got in at 31, and I was out at 35, 30.5. So half a cent loss. So Hoth is toying with that 45 level. Yep, Hoth is done. Looks like an LSP did not hold. And we have that 5-minute candle. That beautiful candle that could symbolize the change in direction. But this is a low float. Doesn't respect that. You could, but it could not. It could easily just fly through that top. So RELI, watch that flat top, 780. GNPX doing something. All right, I'm gonna go on mute. Nothing's setting up right now. Alright, yeah, I might be setting up over 15. But look at the volume. Just we need to cross that 50k, 100k again. NLSP maybe curling up of that low. Which NLSP? I don't know, the volume's low, but that ABCD over 15, 13. That RELI over 20 worked okay, but the bids did move up. So watch this here. We have a 5-minute setup here coming up. Okay, are we going to get a pullback? There's a pullback. More pullback. I'm in. I saw a sliver of green. Nope. Misread level 2. So RELI moved, but again the bids are not moving up. There's a 30. Okay, let's watch. Pullback. I'm in. Let's see if it's gonna pull back too much or 28. Is it gonna go over 30? I'm in at 28.3. I want to see that 30 break. There it goes, 32. So let's watch that 35, 32. Hoth is also toying with 150 area. That 35 here. I think NLSP is done for now, even though it's a nice. There it goes, 35, 39. So watch 41. There it goes, 42. I want to see that pullback. I'm in. I want to go and see 50. I want to see 50. No, we're not going to see 50 right now. Watch, I'm in. I'm in at 44. Gotta watch. Nope, I'm out. So that was a bad fill on my part, but I foamed in. Look at that candle. It's 17 and 49. There's definitely disbalance. I mean, you don't see that candle a lot. It's just an oddball. You can't ever prevent that from happening. My entry was at 45, exit at 33, so really bad. Really bad. So that 50, are we gonna test 50 again? Just keep watching. We might go, I don't know, but we'll see. Watch. 39, I'm in. I see, nope, there's red. 37. Watch. Watch 33. It's really a lot of disbalance here. Hoth broke 50. Yeah, I was hoping it's just gonna go. Hoth broke 50. 58. Hoth is looking good. So 58 is the high on Hoth. We're gonna break 58 on Hoth. 17. Yeah, I remember how it's moving. It's moving like RELI, back on RELI. Let's watch 37 here into 40. I wanted to go and test 50 again. That's what I wanted to see. I'm in at 37.5. So the bid's not moving up. The bid's stuck at 40. There it goes. Bid stuck at 38. I want to see some red. I want to see green. No. So let's see that 44, 45 again. So we're gonna get some volume. I'm gonna get in. I'm in at 35. Kind of low, kind of high. So I'm anticipating for that spike of volume. Any signs of red, I'm out. I'm in more. I see it's building up. So watch. I'm out. I didn't see that. Watch. 35, 40. 53. Watch. I'm in. Watching. It's good. 42. I'm gonna test 50. I'm in at 38.5. I'm gonna test 50.
I'm in again. 42. I'm in again. 45. Are we gonna see 45? I'm out. There it goes. That's what I was waiting for. We're gonna break 50, 42, 40, 39. Nope. Sold off. So it's having a hard time breaking that 50, which is expected. NLSP. Let's see if NLSP wants to try NLSP. That 12 into the 14. NLSP 12 into the 14 in 30 seconds. The high is 14 on 5 minute. Maybe a 5 minute setup on NLSP in 2 minutes. So let's watch that. RELI is back up. Really nice. RELI my test. So NLSP, I like that better. Watch that 13. I'm in. Let's break that 15. Watching for a green. There it goes, green. I like this. This is really cool. Okay. Pull back here. Let's see 1820. It's going. It's a strong stock right now. 17,000 share seller. 19. Yeah, RELI sold off again. So it needs to break that 20, but it's selling off too much. Let's watch 9 seconds. There we go. Might break 20 right now. Pulling back. I'm in. I'm in. Anticipating. Nope. Red. I saw that red coming in. So watch 20 anyway. 13 seconds. So maybe a 1 minute setup. RELI is all over the place. But still watching 20. The volume seems to be coming into those stocks, which is interesting. So 19. 30 seconds. I'm in. I want to see that break of 20. I want to see that break of 20, and it's not. There it goes. Yeah, the 21. That's not enough. So let's watch 21. RELI did break that flat top at 50, but it looks like it didn't hold. So still watching that 21. So we have a 1 minute 5 minute setup that's working at 21 for us. I'm in right now. I see a little green volume coming in. Nope, I'm out. Red. Watching that micro pullback potentially. Holding 18, 16. I'm in. I'm in at 15 right now. So let's watch if it's going to test 20 again. 20 seconds. I'm in at 15. Let's see if it's going to test that 20. Break of that 5 minute 21. Nope, too much selling going on right now. Way too much selling. But let's keep watching. 17. Are we going to go over 20 right now? I see volume coming in. There's buyers right here. They're buyers. There we go. More buyers? Nope. So I got out. So I get out at 18, Yeah, I was in at 15. So flat top at RELI is not looking bad. We might be able to scalp that 50, but watch out for the flushes like it happened last time. So 45 on RELI. I'm in. Watching the bid. Bid is 44. Any signs of red? 10 seconds. It's kind of tough situation if it's gonna let us wait until 10 seconds to go or no. 44. Watching 44. Nope, it's red. Okay. Waiting for that 45, 46 area to break again. Watching 41. Yeah, it's just a interesting stock for sure. I'm still gonna be watching it. Break of 50. I still think we can see 67, 70. An LSP, maybe a small curl here. I missed it at 17. I'm in at 17. Kind of took a while for it to get filled. Let's see if we're gonna see 20. Okay, that's fine. I'm out at 18 though. Let's watch our RELI. It's our chance here. I gotta go. RELI over 45, 10 seconds. Watch RELI. Is it this time around or no? $48, $37, $36, $32. No. Wow. NLSP is looking good, guys. NLSP is at 21. Pull back. Watching that 20 seconds. Pull back again. I'm in. Watch that 21 break. Ouch. Okay, that's it for me, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow, and stay tuned for the recap. Please hit a like button if you like these videos. It's helped me a lot. Doesn't cost you a thing. 234.19 for the day. Talk to you guys later.